In this video, we will be guiding you step by step on how to double cleanse using two very beginner friendly products. So let's get started. What is double cleansing? Double cleansing simply means cleansing your face in two steps. The first step removes makeup, sunscreen, dirt from the day, and the second step actually cleanses your skin. If you only wash your face once, a lot of that residue stays behind and that can lead to clogged pores and breakouts. So it is very important for you to double cleanse. First step, we start with an oil or balm based cleanser. Today we're using the Radiance cleansing balm from Joseon. This step is done on dry skin and with dry hands. Take a small amount and you don't need a lot. Gently massage it onto the face. This melts makeup, sunscreen and excess oil without stripping the skin. Take your time here, about 30 to 60 seconds. No harsh rubbing, just gentle circular motion. Now add a little water. You'll see it turn milky and that's totally normal. And then rinse it off with lukewarm water. And now we go in for our second cleanse. We're using the Cosrx Snail Mucin Cleanser. This step cleanses your actual skin, your sweat, leftover dirt and impurities. Your face should be wet for this step. Take a small amount, lather it in your hands first, and gently massage it on your face about 30 seconds. Then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Now, if you're new to skincare, here are a few things you need to remember. First, double cleanse only at night. Be gentle and know that your skin doesn't need much force. If your skin feels tight after cleansing, it means you're being too harsh or using a lot of products. And that's it. After your double cleansing steps, you can proceed with your skincare steps. Once your skin is properly cleansed, like everything you apply after, like your toner, your serum, or your moisturizer, like everything works so much better. If you're just starting your skincare journey, this routine is a very safe place to begin with. We will post the link to the products in the description below. Make sure to check it out and make sure you're subscribed to our channel, like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.